When it comes to the biggest cause of noise distraction, it's not necessarily about the level of the sound or noise, it's about the content. As humans, we're tuned in to other people's voices. We can't help but hear other people. Our ears are always on. We can close our eyes, we can turn our eyes off, but the ears are always on because they're part of our survival equipment, if you like. So we're tuned in to what people say. And the key thing, or one of the key things to do when we're trying to create noise-free or offices free of noise distraction, is to reduce speech intelligibility. And we can do that through a range of different techniques and design solutions. The biggest cause of noise distraction is not necessarily the level of the sound or the noise, it's the content. As human beings, we're tuned in to each other's voices. We can close our eyes, we can switch off our eyes, but we can never switch off our ears. We're always listening out. It's part of our survival mechanism. So in the office, hearing what people say and being able to understand what they say is probably the biggest cause of distraction.